Howdy folks, thanks for joining me today for another Blender tutorial. This is a super short one. Today we're just going to be UV unwrapping our default cube here. So without further ado, let's get on with that. A couple of things we need to note. You need to be using, don't need to be, but let's change over to cycles. When we get to texture baking, it's cycles that supports that rather than Eevee, so I'm just going to change over to cycles. Let's change to our UV editor. You can see that we haven't currently got an image there to unwrap onto, so we need to make a new image. So I'm just going to say new. I'm going to call it my UV map. Hasn't got any alpha in it, or we won't be using alpha, so we don't need that. It's currently set to a black colour. Like, you can make it any colour you like. I'm going to make it a kind of grey colour and just say OK. So now we've got our image. So to unwrap our cube, the easiest way to do it, select it in object mode, go into edit mode, everything is selected. You can see it actually does a default unwrap. It does it rather nicely as well, although it's a bit close to the edges of the texture. I'll show you how we can reset it if you want to clear it and start again. To clear it, just make sure we've got everything selected. Just press U for unwrap, go down to reset. And you can see that that's not UV map now. So if we want to redo that with the object selected in edit mode, press U. I'm going to choose Smart UV Project. Just accept the defaults, and you can see now that our mesh has been unwrapped. We can select all of those faces, all those UV unwraps. And in my case, I'm just going to press S and scale it down a little bit, just to get it away from the edge of the texture. So don't forget that if you want this texture to be available next time you open the file, you need to make sure you've saved it. You can do that in one of two ways. If you want to save the image separately, you can go to Image and then Save As or Save. I'm going to do a save as on the desktop, my UV map, and I'm just going to accept the defaults and save it. You can also go up to File at the top left of the menu bar and choose External Data Automatically Pack into Blend File, and that will make sure that texture is, once you've saved the file, I haven't saved my file yet, once you've saved the file, it will make sure that that texture is embedded into the blend file, so it'll be available next time you open the file. Right, well, I hope that's been helpful for you. Thank you for joining me today. Keep your eye on the Blender channels to see what new videos we put up there. Take care and see you again soon. Bye for now.